Hi, Nancy Forster here, Executive Director of Canada's National EFT Training Institute, NeftTi.com. I thought just to change it up a little bit, I'd make a short video for you in the newsletter today, and I've got a good reason for this, because I'm thrilled to announce the launching of our brand new NeftTi approved provider programming. And this is something that's been in the works for about a year, as we have encouraged our certified and accredited practitioners to move through a program where they learn about how to offer introductions to conscious EFT and specialty workshops on topics like weight and health and career and relationships and various specialty topics where EFT, particularly conscious EFT, is so incredibly valuable. And so what you'll see starting with this newsletter is NeftTi approved programming being offered by these providers that have gone through a program so that they can really offer these introductions and workshops in a way which is not just safe, but also highly effective. Now, conscious EFT brings something to the table that not all people doing EFT can provide. And that's a real sense of what does it mean to create and to hold a space that is emotionally safe, given that many people attending these workshops and introductions do have emotional issues and limiting beliefs and all kinds of what I call bubbles from the swamp. And so it's incumbent upon us as the facilitator of such events that we have had training in what it means to actually hold that kind of a safe space. So I'm thrilled to encourage you to watch the newsletter, watch the website, social media outlets for announcements of these NeftTi approved practitioner offerings across the country. You'll see the first one in this newsletter. Georgia Barnwell from Nova Scotia is offering a couple of conscious EFT introductions in the month of September. So you'll see practitioners offering in-person, online introductions to conscious EFT, specialty workshops of various lengths and topics, and also increasingly you'll see them offering online and in-person conscious EFT tapping groups, and those are an amazing place for you to get a sense of what EFT is all about and learn how to bring that into your own lives. So thank you very much. It's just a gorgeous day here in Southern Ontario. I think I spent half the afternoon listening to podcasts, just lying in the sunshine, not knowing how much longer that sunshine is going to be there. So I hope that your day has been as wonderful and that you are enjoying yourself too. Bye for now.